Okay, we're sort of back. What we need now, because it's 11:07, is ice. Fresh salmon from Alaska. Buddy just caught it. Pig boppers for dessert. Good stuff. More ice. More ice. And more ice. Remember when you guys had snow cones when you were a kid? This is what I'm recreating, but just with straight water and ibuprofen. Oh, okay, shit's boiling down. A little too hot. All right, gonna be interesting. Oops. Down here. There we go. Yeah, I'll clean that tomorrow. I spilt. Yeah. Okay, we're getting there. See? Buns in the oven getting nice and toasty.